Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're talking about this 6-inch Taranzy electric chainsaw. They just sent us this chainsaw and said, check it out, let us know what you think of it. It came with a whole kit. I don't have it here in front of me, but it came with batteries, chargers, so it came with 2 amp hour batteries, charger, an extra chain, a carrying case, safety glasses, pretty much everything you need. So we're going to take this thing, get to work, and see what it does. Alright, so the biggest issue we have with our wood chipper is this crazy crooked stuff here won't fit through the chute. So what I'm hoping this will do is cut all this into nice straight lengths so we can trim all this brush off to make it fit in that wood chipper a little easier. Plus you can use this around the property for doing limbing and stuff. And again, it's really small, lightweight. Let's see how it cuts. Well, I made pretty quick work of that. Now that'll go on the wood chipper a lot easier. Alright, so that one's pretty easy. They gave the safety glasses, might as well put them on, right? Let's see how it does on some of this thicker stuff. Not too bad. That'll still fit the wood chipper. Alright, let's keep going. It's doing good so far. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I'd really like this one-handed mobility. This is actually pretty cool. We're gonna trim that up a little bit. Let's see how it does on some of this thicker stuff. Not bad. That's some pretty good sized chunks there. About 3-inch diameter. It's not bad. Branches off. I'm going to put more of a test. It's a lot bigger chunk of wood here. Alright, now we're going to put a little more to a test. is more like your firewood size here, and that's about 5 inches. So let's see how it does. I mean, it cut it. Alright guys, so there you go. I'm going to keep using this, and then maybe I'll put down in the comments how long that battery lasted. They do send you 2 of these 2 amp hour batteries though, and the charger as well in that kit. So far you can see all this that it cut up. I don't think that's too bad for that little guy. That's fairly impressive, and again, it's really lightweight, really easy to use. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Nice. Still digging that thing? Works pretty good, right? Look at all this brush you cut up with it. Alright guys, so that was the Taranzy mini chainsaw here, this little 6-incher. Thing did work. It did a lot of work, and as you've seen in the video, everybody's able to use it one-handed really easily. Aries is running around cutting branches with it one-handed. It cut some pretty big stuff, so let me know in the comments what you guys think, because I'm very impressed with this thing, and I'm really glad we got it. Don't forget to click the link in the bottom. It's not going to give us any money or anything. It'll just take you to where you can buy this at. So check it out and let us know what you guys think. Have a great day.